RK Door Systems are a supplier of high-end, thermally efficient and secure entrance doors, and we operate nationwide throughout the UK and Ireland. All of our products are handmade in the same factory using high-quality German components, and we have simplified our product range into 3 options, that being our entree range, our excellence range and our pivot range. Our recently upgraded entree range boasts a fully flush interior and exterior face, have full PAS 24 and Secure by Design accreditation as standard, as do all our doors on display here today, and anything with glass in on any of our ranges come with triple glazed laminated security glass as standard, and our entree range have a great U value of 0.9. Our Excellence and Pivot range use the same profile, which is a 75mm flush profile, so any of our Excellence designs can be upgraded to a pivot door if required. Pivot doors really have that sort of wow factor to architects and self-builders and developers looking to make that ultimate statement for their build. In terms of sizes, our hinge doors can go up to 1.3 metres wide and 3 metres tall, which is still very big for a single door. Our pivot range can go up to 2 metres wide for a single door and up to 3.5 metres tall. In terms of finishes, we've got many powder coated options like this Core 10 steel finish, and also we can offer ceramics, specialist metallic finishes that we've got on show here today, such as this antique textured bronze. We can help you from the initial design stage of the door through to the ordering, installation and survey, so we offer that complete package from start to finish. One thing that our customers find really useful is our online door designer, which you can find on our website, and customers can go on there at their leisure, have a play around, show off their artistic flair and use the many different designs and finishes that we've got, and also add in sort of options that we've got like fingerprint scanning entry and LED lighting. You can find out more on our website www.rkdoorsystems.co.uk. Customer service is our #1 priority at RK Door Systems, and our many positive Google reviews reflect this.